This is my latest pet project, the Hashwar Engine, that lets two individual Game of Life patterns compete. The basic idea behind this is really simple. Look at how the two patterns evolve in their respective squares. My rules let the patterns, or glyphs as we call them, roam around on a random path in the space in the middle. For each generation these glyphs live, they project their current state into the shared space. Think of it as if they were stamps with an ever-changing pattern that gets applied to the canvas in the middle repeatedly while the stamp moves around. Another way to look at this is that the glyphs charge up the cells in the shared space according to the current pattern. Any cells charged by the glyph will be counted against that glyph's score. Now, to make the glyphs compete with one another, imagine that one of them applies a positive charge and its opponent a negative charge. This means when a glyph encounters cells previously charged by its opponent, it will try to flip this cell to its own side by overriding it. And that is precisely what is happening to the cells that you see flare up brightly. I call the rules by which these patterns interact Adversarial Conway. This particular duel you're watching right now, Roof of the Titans, is fought between two very long-lived patterns, Viridian Mist versus Viejo del Norte. You see, patterns in Conway's Game of Life are notoriously fickle and die out quickly, especially on the small 16 by 16 torus where our glyphs live. You'd need a dedicated program to find glyphs that live for 1,000 generations or more, like in our exhibition match here. This means that finding these patterns in the first place is no small feat itself, which is why we carefully select them and give them individual names. It's also the central part of the Hashwar gameplay, because that is exactly why I invented it in the first place. Because I want to play games with these glyphs. Would you like to play too?